Hi guys, so this is the lecture number 3 for game design and creation. So last time we actually have learned how to insert a sprite, how to make the sprite move from left to right, up, down, alright? And then, yes, and then now what we want to do is we want to make our sprite change the direction. How to change the direction? So basically what are we looking for? Okay, so basically what I want is that I have a sprite here, the dragonfly, but what I want is actually to move it, to turn it around. Okay, not turn it around, but turn it into some degrees, turn into some degrees. All right, using keys. For example, I can have A, for example, the key A, the letter A. If this is a small one, if I want it to move counterclockwise, I mean towards left, okay, and then I want to have D. I'm using these letters because that's the one that appears into your keyboard. If I want it to move clockwise, all right, let me just pull up what do you call this one, keyboard. All right, so this is our keyboard. So that's the reason why I want A and D. So when you press this one, this dragonfly will actually turn counterclockwise towards left. When you press D, then this one will turn clockwise. Okay, so that's what are we going to do now. So let's continue with that. So let's make that program. How shall we do it? So by looking into this one, what we want is motion. Okay, so let's go to motion. Let's go to motion. First, you need to click this one. All right, let me just pull it up there. Okay, sorry. All right, so what I want is motion. So I'll go to motion, and what I want is, let's say I'll go first with the A. So turn this one. I'll take this. So as you can see, when I click it, so that's what I want. Okay, that's what I want to happen. So but again, in the program, what I want is that if I click this A, then it will turn 15 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise. So therefore, again, what we have is control that command. If this one is pressed, all right, then what we want is sensing. Anything about pressing is sensing. So where is it? Key like this, and then choose A. So that's it, and we want it forever. So we want it forever to happen, and then of course we want the event when the flag is clicked. Okay, so let's see. When I click the flag and I click this one, look, me, all right. Now you can actually change this one if you want it like to move every 5 degrees. It doesn't matter. So when you click this one, look, okay, so let's make it every 5 degrees. Okay, and if you hold it, then it will rotate forever. All right, now what we want now is actually to make this one move clockwise. So just simply duplicate that, put it there, and then change. What we want is to press D. All right, then take D. Okay, and then this one, let's just change it to let's change this one, because what we want is the other direction. So this one, and we want it to be the same. All right, let's say 5. It's up to you on what values you're gonna use. So now let's click this and try it again. Look, I inserted already the music. Look, okay, look, see, like that. Okay, so basically that's what I want. Oh, all right, now, so that's it. Okay, now, but what about if for example I want the heading to be always, I want to change the heading. Okay, like the heading means the direction, the initial direction. So I need this point in the direction. Okay, either I put it here, I put it there, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna put it here. And then what I want is the direction going up. Okay, I want to be there. All right, now let's see what will happen when I click it. All right, then I move here. Ooh, see, so that's actually good, and it's very smooth. Look at that, very smooth. Okay, and then if I want, for example, to have the arrow again, the arrow is still there. All right, so just imagine yourself, you are catching something. This is going to be a good program. All right, if you have the catching activities or something, all right, and then you can rotate the hand or somewhere. Okay, so basically you're going to use these tools in many games that you're going to design. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do this one. All right, so let me just copy that. Let me just copy that, how to change direction. We only have two directions, clockwise is anti-clockwise. So basically this one now is finished. I will just copy paste it here so that they have something to revise as you go along later on. All right, there you go. Okay, so that is that part actually. Okay, so the next part now is how to make the bullet hits a target. So for example, this one, if you can see, I'll change it. You see, there's a bullet there. Okay, how to do it? How to do it? Okay, how to do it? And I want it actually towards this direction. Okay, so how am I going to do it? So that's actually a pretty quite easy. So again here, how to make the bullet hits a target. That's what we want to happen. Okay, so basically that's the first thing that we want to. Now, so how shall we do it is I'm gonna delete this one for a while because this is what we gonna use actually. So I want to draw that sprite. Okay, how to draw that sprite? That's the first question. How to draw the bullet sprite. Okay, how to draw the bullet sprite. So to do that one, we actually need to have this, and look, take the paint, and then as you can see on the middle, all right, on the middle there, I want you to actually draw, make sure that this is black because what I want is black. Okay, then take that circle and then I want you to drag it here. Okay, all right, and that's it. That's simple. Now it's already there. Then let's go to our codes. All right, so now it's there. Now it's there. Okay, now it's there. So basically now it's here. Let me just change it because it's too big. Let me just make it 50, so it decreases the size. So what I want to happen is that this one, wherever this one goes, it should be there. If this goes there, it should be there. Okay, then it will fire actually. So that's what I want. So the first challenge is that, so now we have inserted. Okay, the first challenge is that how can we program the bullet so it always follow the dragonfly. All right, and and it's hidden. So we want it hidden. We don't like to see that. We don't like to see that bullet. So we can also see the dragonfly. So how shall we do it? So first of all, what I want you to do is click the sprite again. This sprite one. All right, because sprite one, because you just do it by yourself. And then after that, so again, what we want is this one always follow this. Okay, and what is that direction? Okay, where is that bullet? So since this one is the position of this keeps on changing because you're changing it, right? You're changing it. It keeps on changing. So basically, what do we want? But the position of this is actually from here to here only, right? So basically, what we want is we're gonna put the range here as well of values that goes there, 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 there. Okay, so that's what we want. But they're always together. So that's what we're trying to do. Now, for us to be able to do that, what we need is, again, let's go to motion. All right, let's go to motion. And then what we want is glide. Yeah, okay. Either you go to either this one or this one, it doesn't matter. So either of these two we're gonna use. So but I think it's better to have this because it goes to every point x and y, and then so basically what we want is that wherever this goes, wherever the dragonfly goes, it goes also there. Okay, that's what we want. So we need to have that kind of command. Okay, so we need to go to uh and because this one keeps on changing, okay, the position of x and y keeps on changing, anything that keeps on changing